Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about how Google are going to start penalising websites that don't have fast website speed or they don't have an SSL certificate come July 2018. It's imperative that if you don't want your business website to be penalised by Google, that you take advantage of both of these technologies, and in today's video I'm going to talk you through exactly how. Straight to the horse's mouth, and we're on Google's own blog. And this is published back in February this year, and it's forewarning people beginning in July 2018, Chrome will mark HTTP sites as not secure. So this is an example here, and it's showing down here in July 2018, if you don't have an SSL certificate on your website, you're going to get the warning message when you use the Chrome browser of not secure. This is not ideal if you're trying to encourage customers to contact you. If you've got a website that has credit card details on, it's just going to scare people off. You can see at the top here, this is their blog, and they've got an SSL certificate. So you probably will have seen it before. The banks have them, and it has the green padlock in here. That's the SSL side of things, so you must get that on your website by July, very shortly. The next one is using page speed in mobile ranking, search ranking. So this was announced in January, 6 months ago, and Google announced that starting in July 2018, page speed will be a ranking factor for mobile searches. The speed update, as we're calling it, will only affect pages that deliver the slowest experience to users, only affect a small percentage of queries. It's very rare that they announce or release information about how they rank pages, but it's here in black and white. You can check it yourself, webmasters.googleblog.com, and they're saying that speed will be a ranking factor for mobile searches. So if you have a slow website, if you've got a laggy or a slow host, then you can expect to start going down the rankings come July for mobile searches. Now, there's a tool here. If you Google page speed insights, you can dump your website into here and then click on the analyze, and it will see how fast your website is according to Google, and it will tell you if it's good, bad, or ugly. So we're doing mine now, or marketing.com.au. Recently I've changed over to a very fast host, and we can see that I've got an 82% score, good, green, tick. There's a mobile and a desktop version, and both are 80% plus, so that's an A, that's good. And I'll show you how quickly it loads now. So if we Google all marketing here and then click on there, you can see it's a little bit of load time, and then bang, it loads up straight away. Now in 2018, going through to next year, you will have experienced it yourself. People are very impatient. And there's been studies shown, you can Google them, they're all over the web, that anything over 5 seconds for a website to load, you can forget it. They're going to click back out of there. It's called a bounce. They hit back to the search results and they go down to another company, and you've lost them as a lead. So this is vital that you get the speed sorted. Now, another thing, coming back to the page speed being a mobile search ranking, for my own website, digital marketing consultant Perth. So we're now in a software tool that I use to monitor the keywords. This is where the keyword digital marketing consultant Perth was back in July last year, so a year ago, and I was position number 28. So that's basically at the bottom of the third page of Google. And anyone knows that going to the bottom of the third page, no one ever goes there. So your visibility is effectively zero. Anyway, in the space of a year, it's gone from the bottom of the first page up to now it's ranking at position number 1. You can test that yourself. We'll just have a look now in an incognito tab. Digital marketing consultant Perth, and then bang, there I am there, straight up the top. Phone or SMS 041 222 0094 for your digital marketing consulting assistance. So that's mainly down to the web speed and the change of host, and you can see the leap here was back in May 2 months ago. It was position 16, so halfway down the second page, and look at that massive leap up to number 1. The change of host was around here, so you can see the direct impact that's had, and you know that being at the top of Google for your money keyword can make the phone ring a hell of a lot more than being buried down here on the third page. So there are a couple of tips today that will put you in good stead. It's really vital to stay on top, or have someone that is staying on top, like me, of all these many developments, to make sure that your website is kept up to date, it has best practices, and you don't suffer to an ever-increasing competitive environment. What did you think of the video today? I hope you liked it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If you know of someone that could benefit from the tips within it, please share it with them or tag them underneath. And if you've got any feedback for me, I'm always learning, I love to learn, please leave a comment below. Thanks guys, all the best, and see you on the next one.